This how to 1 minute will show you how can I check my website access logs in cPanel. Follow these easy steps to check your cPanel login histories. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Click on File Manager. Once you are in your File Manager, click on Settings and check this box, Show Hidden Files. Save. And now scroll down here and search for this .last login file. Once you get it, right click on it and click on View. And here you will get all of your cPanel login histories or access histories, server, date and time. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.